Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the license plate light bulbs on your 2016 Subaru Outback. You're going to need some sort of a trim tool or something that's not going to scratch the plastic, but in order to gain access to the bulb, it's fairly simple. We just need to put pressure on the lens assembly and push it towards the center of the trunk. So we're going to just push over while kind of prying upwards, and that's going to just pop that assembly out, and then slide it back over while pulling outwards. And then we can pull this down. It's going to give us access to the socket that's on the very back. So let's unclip this, and I'll just quickly show you. You can see the design of the socket, how there's a latch on the side. So by pushing towards the center, we're compressing that, and that allows the hook on this side to release from the trunk and pop off. So once we get this out of the road, you're just simply going to remove the 194 clear bulb, pulls straight out. And we're actually just going to install some LEDs today from Outback to see the difference on how nice they really are. This is a direct plug and play bulb. And they've got light bulbs for all your applications. Doesn't matter if it's brake lights, turn signals, headlight bulbs, marker lights, license plate lights. Now these are polarity sensitive, so you need to turn the light on first just to ensure that it does turn on. If it doesn't turn on, then all you got to do is simply pull it out, turn it 180 degrees, and put it back in. So I'm going to go turn them on, and we'll see if it lights up. So now we've got our cover here. It's a good time if you want to clean these out. I can see that there's some bugs and other debris that gets stuck inside of there. Simply locate all of the little notches that are on the socket with the lens assembly. Turn that clockwise, so lock it into place. And then all we've got to do is just go the other way. So you're going to hook the latch in on this side first and then simply push down. And that should seat properly. So let's turn these on and see the difference. Oh, the other one's burned out. Oh, look at that. Magic, baby. Magic. I fixed it without even taking it out. All right, look at the difference between those. This is very modern. It's going to shed more light. It just looks so much nicer compared to these dull, dingy bulbs. If you want to upgrade your lights, check the link in the description. Outback's got you covered. Like I say, it doesn't matter what you're replacing. They got lights for your vehicle. They got lights for everything. Fairly simple to change. That's pretty much it, I think. If you got any questions, throw them in the comments. If the video helped, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.